In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart in TikTok Shop. If you're new to TikTok Shop or just want a quick refresher, this walkthrough will help you add items to your cart smoothly so you're ready to place an order when you're done browsing. Start by opening the TikTok app so you're in your account. From the main screen, look for the Shop section. Depending on your layout, you'll see a Shop tab or a shopping bag icon. Tap it to enter the TikTok Shop experience, where you can explore featured products, categories, and deals. If you already have something in mind, use the search bar at the top to find a specific product by name, brand, or keyword. If you're just browsing, you can scroll through the curated lists and recommendations. When you see a product you're interested in, tap it to open the product details page. This page shows photos, videos, pricing, available discounts, shipping info, and reviews, which can be helpful for confirming quality and fit. On the product page, you'll see options to add the item to your cart. This might appear as an Add to Cart button or a cart icon. Before you add it, check whether the product has variations. Many items come with choices like size, color, style, or a specific bundle. Tap the variation options to select the exact one you want and confirm the quantity if you need more than one. Taking a moment here helps avoid ordering the wrong version. Once your variation and quantity are set, tap the Add to Cart option. You should see a quick confirmation that the item has been added. If you want to keep shopping, you can continue browsing and repeat the process for other items. Your cart will retain everything you add as you go. When you're ready to move toward checkout, it's important to make sure your shipping address is already saved and that you have a valid payment method available. Having these set up in advance keeps the checkout process fast and prevents any interruptions when you proceed to place your order. Double-check that the address matches where you want the item delivered and that your payment method is current. That's it. Open TikTok, go to Shop, find your product, select the right variation, add it to your cart, and make sure your address and payment method are ready so you can place your order without any hassle.